Today is October 6th, 2021, and the Utah Department of Commerce, their Division of Real Estate, addressed this in their newsletter for the third quarter of 2021. Their director came up there and basically they're talking to their real estate agents and appraisers and everybody involved with real estate. And they're asking the question, is using a drone for business breaking federal law? The state of Utah has jumped out there and are advising people on how to get certified so they're not breaking any rules and how to get their drones registered. And there are also ways to learn about recurrent training. So this is what's needed in the industry. I'm very happy to see that one of the states has gone out there and taking a leading step in it. Most people that I run into that are flying drones are not really aware of any of the rules and regulations that are involved in it, and especially with commercial use. Everybody looks and sees what they're looking at on YouTube and Facebook and things of that nature and thinks that it's a very cool way to jump in there and do this. But really, you need to have the proper certifications and registrations. So I'm very happy that one of the states has jumped in there. So if you have any questions, contact me and I will share with you some additional information how you can get certified and get your drones registered too.